Best upright vacuums. Upright vacuums remain a cornerstone of home cleaning due to their balance of power, maneuverability, and ease of use. For households dealing with a mix of carpet, hard floors, pets, and variable living spaces, a well-chosen upright can replace multiple cleaning tools while delivering strong suction and practical maintenance. In this comparison, I tested 5 representative models across a price spectrum from $64.99 to $149.99, spanning 2 brands, Shark, Bissell, and 2 lines from Eureka. My methodology focused on real-world performance, baseline suction checks on carpet and hard floors, above-floor cleaning capability via attachments, maneuverability and swivel operation, ease of emptying and filter maintenance, noise levels, and overall value for money.
Product number 1. Shark Upright Vacuum. The Shark NV360 combines lift-away versatility with a large 0.9-quart dust cup and anti-allergen complete seal technology, making it a strong all-rounder for multi-surface cleaning and pet hair. Its swivel steering and brush roll shutoff offer intuitive control and floor-type adaptation, while the included upholstery and crevice tools expand its reach for above-floor cleaning. Price at $112.79 positions it as a mid-range option, with notable value for households needing a capable bagless system with HEPA-compatible filtration, requires the appropriate filter maintenance as indicated by the product specs. Prospective buyers should note its corded design and weight, around 16 pounds, which impacts lift-away portability for multi-level homes. Performance-wise, the NV360 excels in maneuverability and above-floor cleaning, thanks to the lift-away pod, making it easy to tackle stairs and furniture without a separate canister.
Product number 2. Bissell CleanView Compact Turbo Upright Vacuum. The Bissell 3437F CleanView Compact Turbo emphasizes compact size for apartments and dorms while delivering full-size suction power. A standout feature is the quick-release extension wand for above-floor cleaning, and the lightweight design, about 10.9 pounds, enhances portability. Priced at $64.99, it represents an affordable option with respectable suction and a multicolor finish that suggests broad market appeal. As a budget-friendly model, it focuses on essential cleaning performance with scatter-free technology to minimize debris scattering on hard floors. In use, the CleanView Compact Turbo provides solid everyday cleaning with a 700-watt motor and a claimed maximum suction around 100 feet for practical testing.
Product number 3. Eureka Lightweight Powerful Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet. The Eureka PowerSpeed NEU 280 positions itself as a lightweight, cyclone filtration-equipped upright designed for general households. With a weight of 8 pounds and a 1.9-liter capacity, it emphasizes ease of use and extended runtime between dumps. The model boasts a 960-watt motor and 5 height settings, along with onboard tools including a crevice tool, dusting brush, and a pet tool. The PowerSpeed line has earned strong consumer reception for offering robust performance at a budget-friendly price, though the NEU 280 is one of several variations with slightly differing specs across regions. Performance-wise, the PowerSpeed is optimized for quick daily cleaning across carpet and hard floors, leveraging upgraded cyclone filtration to handle larger debris and maintain suction.
Product number 4. Eureka PowerSpeed Lightweight Upright Vacuum Cleaner for Carpet. The Eureka NEU 181A variant is another PowerSpeed entry emphasizing ultra-lightweight design at 10 pounds with a 2.6-liter dust cup and a 960-watt motor. It features a 5-height brush roll adjustment, an onboard pet tool, crevice tool, and dusting brush for comprehensive cleaning. This model markets strong everyday cleaning capability with a large dust cup and broad accessory set, making it appealing for households with pets and mixed flooring. Performance-wise, the NEU 181A provides consistent suction across carpet and hard floors, aided by its cyclone filtration approach and the onboard pet tool for hair removal.
Product number 5. Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright. The Shark NV501 Rotator Professional Lift-Away Upright Vacuum sits at the premium end of this comparison at $149.99. It refines the lift-away concept with a detachable pod, HEPA filtration, LED headlights, and a wide upholstery tool for larger surface areas. The 0.88 quart dust cup, 1200-watt motor, and 8.4-foot hose support comprehensive above-floor and upholstery cleaning, while the two-position or two-speed motor and advanced swivel steering offer precise control. The inclusion of a wide upholstery tool and multiple crevice and dusting tools strengthens its capabilities for pet owners and households with diverse cleaning needs. Performance-wise, the NV501 projects strong suction with a sizable 9.5-inch cleaning path and LED headlights to reveal debris in dim corners. The HEPA filtration and anti-allergen complete seal help capture fine particles, which is a meaningful advantage for allergy sufferers.